Let's go.
Let's exchange now. How does it go?
And girl, I promise you, no substitute.
It's just me. And I ain't gonna tell you again. Let's get Ghost in the Phantom. You can bring your friend, we can make this a tandem. You can come by yourself and you can stand them. Best believe I sweat out weaves, give afro puffs like R-A-G-E. All you get if you can move it, back it on up like a U-Haul truck.